I'm scared. Killed it.
Did you get him?
Done, son.
You got him?
He's done, son. He's done, son.
Adleigh, you got it. You did. You got your first rabbit.
I can't believe I saw that.
That's
not
awesome.
You. That's
Dude,
crazy. I saw that, not you.
That's awesome. Adleigh, congratulations.
On the first time.
It is 2 minutes past shooting time. We walking in. Look, you can see the sun coming up. That's awesome, y'all.
Oh, wow.
That's
we
awesome.
even just got ready.
Uncle Chris Place. Thank you, Uncle
We
Chris.
Guys, we just started walking.
I know.
Just
Good
now.
spot. Yeah, because it's 2 minutes past. Look,
Dad, I think you
shooting
need to finish
time
it off.
was 36. 640. Look at that. Can't see good, but 640. Look at that. Awesome. Good job. Just in time. Good shot.
Thanks. Let's go see it. It's a rabbit. What?
You got it, Adleigh. Dude, congratulations. That's a good sized rabbit. Baby, that's feeding the family there. Adleigh.
What?
That's feeding the family there. Pick that thing up, look.
Can you pick it up? I don't want to pick it up.
You want to pick it up? Okay.
I don't know why I don't want to pick it up.
Yeah, you got them good. That ain't moving. Great job. So proud of you. All right, today's Sunday, the second day of season. Got a squirrel yesterday. Adleigh got her first squirrel. And today she got her first, what you got, Adleigh?
Rabbit.
What? Big old rabbit. Yes,
He's
big
fat.
old rabbit.
He's fat.
Big old rabbit. So, 410, number 6 shot. What is it, Adleigh? Half an ounce. Ooh, Remington. Yes. Seen a few squirrels today, but we had a campfire going on, and we just
we want to spend quality time.
Yeah. We didn't take the squirrel hunting super serious, but hey, we was trying to, we was gonna get one if one was close by, but
They almost got one, but it wasn't in the tree.
yeah. So Adleigh, first squirrel yesterday and first rabbit today at 8 years old. Yes. Let's see that rabbit again, Adleigh. What? Big old rabbit.
Big rabbit.
Awesome shot. Proud of you, girl. Yes. God bless you. All right, finished product. Got that rabbit, squirrel. Adleigh first squirrel Saturday, her first rabbit Sunday. Big old back leg. Made her brown gravy instead of a sauce bacon. Yeah, you're right. A thick gravy. Hey, man. What you doing?